Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to play Open Arms by Journey on guitar. We will begin by focusing on the foundational chords that form the backbone of this classic ballad. The song is predominantly in the key of G major, utilizing common open chords like G, C, D, E minor, and a minor. Mastering these 5 basic shapes and practicing seamless transitions between them is your first crucial step to playing this iconic tune. Next, let's establish a suitable strumming pattern and rhythm for Open Arms. A versatile pattern involves a gentle down, down, up, down, up motion, allowing the chords to ring out clearly. Aim for a steady tempo of around 72 beats per minute, which provides the song's signature heartfelt pace. Consistent rhythm is key to conveying the emotional depth and power of this timeless ballad, so practice with a metronome. Now, let's tackle the memorable intro and verse riff that defines Open Arms. This beautiful melodic line typically begins on the G string at the 2nd fret, then moves to the 4th fret. You'll want to incorporate subtle hammer-ons and pull-offs to achieve a smooth, connected sound, mimicking the original recording. This distinctive riff repeats throughout the verse sections, providing a recognizable and emotionally resonant musical theme for the song. Finally, let's explore the dynamics of the chorus and bridge sections. The chorus typically features a powerful chord progression, often moving from G to D, then E minor, and finally C, building emotional intensity. The bridge section, usually a distinct musical interlude, often introduces a subtle key change or different chord voicings to create a sense of longing or reflection. Remember to emphasize dynamics, playing with more volume in the choruses and a softer touch during the verses.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.